Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily check your deleted messages on absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and write your comments. And let us get started with you friends. To do this, please open the messaging app on your iPhone. Then you'll need to either click on the word Edit in the top corner here, or you'll need to swipe from the left side to the right side. And that will take you to the list of messages, or rather the types of messages that are there. As you can see here, they are categorized. For example, all messages are pinned, and at the bottom you will have deleted messages. You will need to click on them. Now you will go to the list of all the deleted messages that you have on your iPhone. In order to recover them, if you want to do that, you'll need to click here to check the box next to the message. Do the same for all the chats that are important to you. And then on the bottom right, click Restore. Confirm your actions. So, as you can see, the message will be restored. This is the way, friends, you can easily check deleted messages on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.